Today we are installing a handle on a bathroom barn door. We will be installing here on both sides of the door, standard thickness door, and these are the handles. Basically 1.5 by 5 inch with about a 3/4 inch thickness to it. And we'll be installing those on both sides of the door. So the next step I've done is I've done a layout, basically marking the equal points on the back of the handle. And I have placed it onto the door so I know where to make my cuts. Next step is to drill the 4 holes, and I'm going to use a jigsaw to cut it out. I start with a small hole. Make sure your hole's far enough in that you don't overlap the outside of that marking. And I do a small drill hole, then a bigger drill hole, and then one big enough to get the jigsaw in, and we're gonna cut this section out. And once you use your jigsaw, you cut that section out, and then use a file to smooth the outer edges of it so that this piece will fit into place. Next step is erase all the pencil markings. Go ahead and insert that, making sure you're using a level to make sure it's even. Mark your holes and drill. And so there's your finished product. Sorry about the positioning of the video, but there it is.